Hi guys and welcome back, and in today's video it's going to be a bit of an update, a thank you and a bit of a chat. So I'm here at Longley Caravan and Motorhome Club site. We seem to be here every time I do a video, but there we go. And I'm out for a walk today in this lovely beautiful sunshine, so I'm going to go and finish my walk, and what we'll do is I will head back to the caravan and we'll have a bit of a chat and I'll say a few thank yous, and yeah, so what we'll do is we'll go back to the van and I'll see you then. Alright, bye! Tell you what, it's a lovely day today. It started off pretty murky and pretty horrible, but now it's a really beautiful day. So just finishing off going through the dog walk out Longley. Put you up over there. And just shut all the gates when you leave dog walks. I don't have a dog, but I still like going into the dog walk areas. And we're on the other side of the site, so we're going to go back to the other side, and yeah, so let's walk down to the other side. So guys, I've made it back to the caravan. Now I need to get myself set up. So guys, I've made it back to the caravan, I'm all set up, and now we can have a proper chat. So the first thing I want to say to every single one of you is thank you. Thank you so much. I've just hit 500 subscribers and 40,000 watch minutes. Now that is amazing. I started YouTube last May, so I've been doing it just over a year, and 500 subscribers in a year is incredible. So thank you very much. If you follow me on Twitter, you'll know that I'm bowled over by this figure. So thank you very much for all of those figures. I am so very happy with 500 subscribers. I would love to get more, but at the minute 500 is amazing. And bearing in mind, you guys have been supporting me throughout my GCSE exams. Now, we're at Longley, as you know, and this is a weekend away, as yesterday, which was Friday the 14th of June, I finished my GCSEs. So I'm now totally finished, and the videos will be back in order, but we'll talk about more about that later on. So the next topic is what is going on. What is going on with caravanning of the Coxes? Well, obviously we're using our new Bailey Unicorn Vigo as much as possible. Now, if you see, I went to Tourfest 2 weeks ago here at Longley, and we had an amazing time. Lots of people were asking me about the caravan, and don't worry, there'll be a video coming all about this caravan when we go away to Exbridge Lakeside Caravan and Motorhome Club site in July. We are going back there for a second year in a row because we loved it. We absolutely loved it. It's a lovely site. If you want to see that video, click up in the top corner up here somewhere. I can't really remember, but it's in one of these top corners. There'll be a video up there to the link of that video where I showed you around Exbridge Lakeside Caravan and Motorhome Club site. We're going there, and we're going to go for my birthday again and have a really amazing time. Now, videos. Well, as you know, I've been doing my GCSEs, and I'd like to just topic that off quickly now. I've been doing my GCSEs, and it's been a pretty hectic time, which means there's been, if you saw my live stream, again, click up in one of these things and there'll be that live stream if you want to see that on repeat, where I talked to you back in February all about the reasons why I couldn't make videos. I couldn't make now because we're after it, which is amazing. Basically, I did my GCSEs and all my time was taken up by that. I did some little videos where I had time, so we went to Simply Ford. I thought let's just talk about that video quickly. Some of you thought that Simply Ford video, it's not caravanning, that I shouldn't have put it up. Some of you thought it was great. I thought, let's just go on a bit of a tangent. You know, don't always just do caravanning videos. That was my thought. I put the Bailey Alliance video up a couple of weeks ago, and I did that here at Tourfest when we were here 2 weeks ago, as Bailey gave me the opportunity to look round the Bailey Alliance 59.2. Sorry, I'm looking down at my laptop. It's got everything I need to talk to you about. My memory isn't particularly good to remember all these bits and bobs. So, the new videos, what's coming out? Well, I've got loads of things in store for you guys. I've got some products at home from Mellerude, or Centurion Leisure Supplies, you may know them as. I've got some various interior cleaner, because as you might know, we've had our Bailey Unicorn Vigo paint sealed, and that means we've had not the Gen 3, just the basic paint seal. We can't use any non-pH neutral cleaning solutions on the Caravan, which is a bit of a shame, but instead I just cleaned it with water, and that's what I did this weekend. Anyway, so I've got some cleaning products from Mellerude, and they are at home waiting to be used, and next week I'm going to use them. I've got a water cleaning solution, a barbecue cleaner, a chrome cleaner, and a kitchen cleaner, I believe. Anything else, I'll show you all those products anyway. So I've got those. In the pipeline, I've got some other products coming in. As you'd have seen, the kart jockey wheel review, that came early in April. Obviously I haven't talked to you guys since February, so I'm just telling you about what's been going on. So we went to Cirencester back in April, and we had a lovely time there. We filmed the Cougar review, which Gregor, in the comments, you might see Gregor, he's quite, he likes commenting, which is great, and please do comment. That is really a big thing, because then I get to talk to you guys, what you like, what you don't like, if you want any new videos, etc. So we filmed the full Cougar, our co-car review, and yeah, we had a lovely time. The weather was really, really nice. The new videos that are coming out, I plan to do lots of reviews and how-to videos this year. I've got a big book at home. I didn't bring it with me because I'm not going to tell you all the videos that are coming out, because that's a surprise. There's lots of how-to videos, review of this Caravan, reviews of things that I've bought. I've got about 40 videos, all sort of I did. I've got lots of videos in my head, and they need to be all made. So there's going to be lots of content coming throughout the year. There'll be more holiday vlogs, of course. When we go to Coxes Lakeside, I'm definitely going to be vlogging it this time. I didn't do it last year because I did it at Weymouth instead. There's going to be lots coming from Grandma's seasonal pitch this year, of course. As we haven't really talked about that too much. So just so you know, Grandma is absolutely fine. I went down to her seasonal pitch 2 weeks ago, just before Tourfest, and yet she's fine. The Caravan down there is fine, and that's the Bailey Teletubbies Series 6 Wyoming. We'll be doing a comparison, I will tell you this though, between our 2019 Caravan and her 2009 Caravan, and there'll be a comparison of those. Now, if there's any videos you guys want to see, stick them down in the comments. That means that I might already have them written down, but if you haven't, it'd be great so that I can cover off those videos. Obviously, in our Caravan, there's things that I want to show you, lots of things that haven't been covered before. Now, viewing figures. As I said, I've hit 500 subscribers and 40,000 viewing minutes. Like I said, thank you very much for those figures. And so, what's going on with the channel and viewing figures? Well, the first thing I want to say is keep subscribing. There's 500 of you who are subscribing, and 83% of you who watch my videos, such as the 7,000 people that have watched my Cadillac review, that That video, by the way, is a video I made pretty unedited. I did it on iMovie on my old MacBook Air. I didn't spend very long editing it. I literally had, I believe, this lapel microphone plugged into my phone, and that was about it. So it was 7,000 views. That's amazing. But 83% of you guys don't subscribe to my channel. You just watch the videos. So please, 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 please subscribe. So guys, the exciting bit. The bit you guys have all been waiting for. The surprise. Now, as you might know, I've obviously got my introduction. I've got a very special moment. I've made a brand new introduction. So here's what it's going to be like for the rest of this year's videos. So guys, that was my brand new introduction. I still implemented the old introduction, but I thought I'd make it a bit more personalised. It's not too long, because I know some of you guys don't like a long introduction. Now, outros. I've always really wanted an outro to my channel, so I decided that with the help of Neil from My Big Toe, who's a complete computer whiz, we made an outro. So here's my outro. So that's the outro to my channel. I hope you like it. And again, please follow me on Instagram and on Twitter. I'm not on Facebook. So that's really it. Thank you again very much. We're here at Longley. The sun's come out and I'm going to go and probably sit outside under the canopy. Oh yeah, that's another thing. Our awning is amazing. But anyway, that's something else. Right. Thank you very, very much for watching. Thank you again, and I'll see you very soon. Alright, bye.